So your first hobby was reading, and then your second hobby was crocheting. You're a beginner and you want a crochet pattern that is going to suit both of those hobbies. Well, today's a good day for you because today we are going to be making a bookmark. So this is a perfect beginner crochet pattern for people who love to read or people who want to make a gift for someone who loves to read. They're really easy and quick to whip up, and you don't need that many supplies. So I'm gonna walk you through it step by step how to make this bookmark, and it's super simple, quick and easy. You could make it in a day. Seriously, you could probably make it in less than an hour. Super, super quick. Before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Jessica Telford, or Jess Telford here on YouTube, and I've been crocheting since I was 11 years old. I run a small crochet business called Sugar and Spice Crochet, and I'm a mom of 2 boys. Well, 1 toddler and 1 on the way. So it can get a little bit crazy around here, but we still find time to crochet because it's what keeps us sane. So I'm going to show you how to as well. Let's get started. Okay. To start with the things that you're going to need some yarn. I just used some weight 4 worsted weight yarn, a size of a 4mm crochet hook to keep the stitches nice and tight so it doesn't make your book too bulky and open. These are optional, but some cute little charms that you can add to the ends of it when it's done, and of course some scissors. Okay, we're going to start by just making a slip knot. I have taught these in other of my crochet tutorials, and I know there are a bunch of videos teaching you how to do slip knots and chains and everything. So I'm not going to go over how to do each stitch, but I am going to show you how to make this pattern. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. Just put your crochet hook in and tighten it. Okay, I am going to do 60 chains. You can do just as many as you would like. If you're making this for a specific book, just make it so that both ends stick out of the book your desired amount. So here we go. Okay, now we're going to do some single crochets. And the single crochets we're going to do starting in the second chain from hook, and we're going to be working in the back V, not in the back loop, because I think it's going to make it flatter for your book. So let's go. Okay, we've made it to the end. So now we're going to fasten off. We're going to take our scissors, leave a short tail, snip. Then we're going to pull. We're all done with that. We're going to weave in our ends. So I'm going to go through the back here, underneath. Okay, there you go. 1 finished bookmark. Good job. So that's it. You did it. You made a really, really cute, flowery, curly crochet bookmark that just turned out really cute. You did such a great job, and the charms, I think, really make it something special. So thanks for hanging out today. Thanks for crocheting with me. If you'd like to keep hanging out, I have a few more videos here, some tutorials and some other things for you to check out here on my channel, and you can hit the subscribe button so we can hang out even more, which also helps the channel, which I greatly appreciate. So thanks for hanging out today. Bye.